So the strength of a join really has a lot to do with how it was made. Like, I put the ends really close together, so it should be pretty strong. It was not a bad join. But from pumping it, if it breaks really quickly, I will concur that this was quite brittle solder and can't be trusted on anything that's going to be under stress. Copper's very stretchy though. Let me just double check what my join is. Right, it's here. I put the join right in front of me there. Pretty strong, guys. And I've bought some more brackets to go under my bench to stop it shaking about. That side of the bench is secured to the wall, and that's really sturdy, but this side seems to have a bit more vibration on it, and I think it's just coming from the legs that are able to move. I'll do that after this video, since I've got my drill out now. I'll tell you what, no problems with this solder, it's really good. I should have got the size of this ring before I started pumping it up. It's well strong. I'll tell you what, if you want to solder copper, you've got to get some of this copper solder. Very, very strong join. Very strong. This is getting to being very unusual. You see that? This metal is under a lot of stress now. Like, gone way past where you should be wanting to anneal metal. Going all crinkly and strange. But the join is holding very strong. I mean, the join is literally starting to look thicker than the rest of the metal. It's like the metal is stretching rather than breaking the join. That's quite impressive. I'm going to pump up some more. I'm not going to anneal it, I'm just going to keep pumping it until it breaks. It'd be funny if this metal tears rather than the solder joint breaking. That would be unheard of. I mean, it's physically difficult. I can't believe it's not breaking. It's not going to break. Oh my god. Shit.
Catch the full episode on the Diamond Mounter channel. There's a link in the description to take you straight there.